This toy shows us the principle of persistent of vision. It's a very common toy called as cage and parrot toy. You take two pictures, one of a cage, one of a parrot. Please see that they are of corresponding size, so that when the parrot goes in the cage, it remains inside the cage. Then we take a piece of plastic or paper which has a corrugations, and we take a stick, a toothpick which is slightly long, and then we put this inside. Then we, with the help of glue, we stick this pictures on either side of this plastic piece, taking care that the centers of both of this parrot and cage, the centers, they should match. Otherwise, the combination will not look proper. Taking this, now take this in hand and just rotate slowly. You will see that the parrot has gone in the cage. Now why this happens? Now when we see anything, the image in our retina lasts for about 1/10 of a second. Now before that period, if another image comes before your eye, then the eye perceives these two images as together, and it sees the combination of these two images. So we see that the faster you rotate, the effective will be the combination. This is the principle of all cinema shows, TV shows, and all other things where a moving image is created out of number of images.